Travel day. It's been a minute. Yes, I know, dear. And then I gotta put it in tow mode.
Yes.
All right, come with me. No, I could do it. I follow the instructions. Come with me to put the Jeep into tow mode. It is Jeep, drive Jeep up behind motorhome with the engine running. Set the parking brake. All right, so turn the engine on. Engine running. Set the parking brake. Foot on brake. So setting the parking brake. Foot on brake. Put the transmission into neutral. Transmission into neutral. Do a little. Yeah, that. Thank you. One picture there. Into neutral, and then turn the engine off. Shift transfer case to neutral. Back. All right. Start the engine. Foot on brake. Release the parking brake. Look at instrument dash to verify transfer case is in neutral. There we are in neutral, and. I don't need to really wait and verify. Set the parking brake is off and shift the transmission back into park.
Parking brake off.
What do you mean?
No, that's what I'm saying. It says set the parking brake. That's what we need to take off. Fine.
Okay, I already did that. Good morning, my neighbors. There are none. An introvert's paradise. Are there any other introverts out there besides me? That RV. An introvert's question. How do you fare in these environments? Well, lucky for me, there's no one to the left of us. And I love that. I absolutely love that. The superficial, hey, good mornings, or it may be genuine, I don't know, but I don't know you. How do you all do it? What do I need to do to make this more enjoyable? Now, I love nature, so that's the easy part. It's the peopling that becomes a challenge. Let's explore the area and tell you where we are today. You ready to go for a walk? I take that as a hard no. You are ready to go for a walk, but you want the main walker to do the honors. All right, you got the key, babe? Where's the key? Let me see the key. In your pocket. All right. The RV key. Oh, I don't like that at all. We need to have some kind of big old obnoxious key ring. So, oh, wait, good thing I didn't let her come up by herself. There's a hawk. We are at Fort Monroe, Virginia.
What is this called? Colonies in Fort?
But it's a quaint little place to pull up for the night, especially if you're passing through. How many sites do they have here?
Colonies RV and Travel Park is located in the historic Fort Monroe National Monument setting, also called the Freedom Fortress, which I did not know. It has 14 full-service camping sites with 30 50-amp paved pads, along with 9 sites with 30 amps electricity and water. They also have 10 sites for reservation or walk-in. This is our 3rd trip to this RV park. I'm not sure what draws us to this place. It is near the water, does have a lot of concrete, and not as woodsy as I like, but my husband loves to fish and I love to bike ride, so it seems like the perfect place. As much as we have come here, I did not realize the history of this place until this visit. And wait till you hear what this place holds, or what memories, or what experiences, the history, the richness. It's almost as if we were drawn here innately.
There's a sign for the country store. Oh, okie dokie. You can see it. We have ice cream, ice, beach supplies, cold drinks, and snacks.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, my neighbors.
So we are
He never gets the cues that I give him. He is not one for movie lines. Do any of you know the response to that in the movie?
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, my neighbors. Shh, don't tell them.
Good morning.
If you know the response to that, we can be friends. Oh, he got it. Who said it?
Eddie Murphy.
Nope.
Or Arsenio Hall.
No, those weren't the names. I need the name of the
Well,
character.
I know it wasn't the name, but that's who said it.
What was his name?
King somebody.
Hakeem Jeffries.
No. King Hakeem.
Okay, now to the important stuff. Fort Monroe National Monument in Hampton is strategically located at the mouth of the Chesapeake Bay. According to the National Park Service, it's positioned on a 565-acre peninsula known as Old Point Comfort, Fort Monroe. It's a place of astounding beauty and inspiration, and the northern stretch of the peninsula is largely open with over 3 miles of Chesapeake Bay beachfront. Fort Monroe's story spans from prehistory to the 2000s. Kecoughtan Indians occupied Old Point Comfort before the arrival of English colonists. The first enslaved Africans arrived in 1619. Those escaping slavery sought their freedom at the fort during the Civil War. The fort remained bastion of national defense until 2011, when it became a national park. Empowered by a legal loophole, thousands of enslaved Africans escaped and found refuge at this Union Health Fort during the Civil War. Fortress Monroe in Virginia became the site of the first contraband camp, a spontaneous community of self-emancipated blacks where inhabitants often became recruits for military service. If interested, you can find this information on the National Park Service government website.
So we got the griddle. Let's see. I think we're going to start off with the bacon. Now, I don't have any hash brown, so just be bacon this morning. Bacon. I think I have some andouille sausage. So maybe some sausage just to try it out. And scrambled eggs and pancakes. Let's see how that turns out. So I've got my pancakes on. Let's see. Not bad. Let's put this one on. Not ready yet. So let that one stay a little while.
Please, sir, may I have some more?
Normally scramble. And here they have the restroom. I think it's open. Yes. So you have the washer. Oh, it's nice and warm in here. Wash and dryer. $1.50 to wash and not sure how much it is to dry, but you have your men's bathroom here. Good. And you women bathroom here. Of course, no one is in here. And let's head back out. Okay, again, this is where I'm fishing. This is part of not Chesapeake Bay, but Chesapeake Bay is on the other side. This is some sort of inlet river. I'll find out later, post it later. But he did mention that there was an osprey nest. Yeah, there it is. I don't know if there's anything in the nest, but he's in there, or she's in there. This is a view from the fishing spot. There's a older pavilion. So here's my tackle and my little bait. So let's see what I can do.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you feel so inclined. Happy trails.